In this video, I'll show you how to set up Trello board. So what you need to do, open up your Trello. So I want to create and set up a new board now. So I'm going to just tap on this plus icon. I'm going to tap on create a board. I'm going to name this board testing. I'm going to select the workspace. So I'm going to use this my previous one. So I'm going to select, it's going to be in the private. It can be in the private workspace or public. So once you're done, you can select the background. I can select this. So I'm going to click on create. So yeah, I just created a new board, and when it comes to setting it up, you can be able to add as much list as possible, as much list you want. So I can just tap on add list and come on and add up a new list, right? So this is it. It's straight to the point. So if you tap on this as well, you can be able to come on and adjust the settings of your board. So you can see power ups, manage power ups, like different things. Once you don't tap on this, you can be able to come on and check through as well if you want. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.